The legacy of high-impact research in the field of geoscience by women came to the fore beginning by World Consultancy Services of India. Turning passion into a career, India's women geologists are carving their own success stories. They do not hesitate to get their hands dirty. A hammer and compass in hand, India's women geologists are literally rocking it. Notwithstanding the dangers of remote environments, encounters with wild animals, limited access to toilets and the occasional detention by left-wing extremists in disturbed areas, these women of the WCS have evened out the odds to carve out success stories. Earlier, women were mostly associated with lab work in geology. Now the mindset has changed and we are seeing more and more women on the field. Interest in the field is gender neutral. One has to harbor a love for nature. A sense of humor also helps when a geologist has to get started on a dig, examine satellite and other data about the terrain, arrange transport, set up base camp, hire laborers, inform police of your presence, know your danger zones, Maoist or extremism hit areas, break rocks, collect samples, analyze data, and all this time, it could be a few months at a stretch, one is away from one's family and friends. I love to do this so I don't view them as obstacles. The scientific objective is my priority and I am willing to go to the extent to bring it to fruition, keeping one's safety in mind, said WCS geologist, who works in metamorphic petrology. WCS points out the misconception that girls are not hardy enough to handle some physically demanding projects that still exist in some cases, but it dissolves once you show what you are capable of. One woman geologist of WCS said, every now and then you read about NASA. Our ISRO missions have proved to the world what we are capable of. We are equally able and learning more through geology would help highlight our prowess even more. The perks of the job: finding out something new, exploring nature, friendly locals, picking up local dialects and the satisfaction to have contributed to building India. Women geoscientists contribute to the workforce and show perseverance in challenging moments via their efforts. Because of their versatility as well as ingenuity, they are capable of perceiving as well as resolving problems in unique methods. Women entrepreneurs boost the workforce and demonstrate resilience in difficult times through their dedication. Their adaptability and creativity enable them to recognize and solve challenges in novel ways. Female scientist is key to promoting economic diversity, a sustainable economy, and long-term growth that benefits society and the environment. Gender equality is one of the fundamental human rights and as such, along with women's empowerment, is the most important issue of the present. Efforts are being made at the WCS level to eliminate the gender gap in the geoscience field. Women scientists have made significant contributions to environmental, chemical and petrological laboratory of WCS. World Consultancy Services heartily thanks the women scientists for their dedication in the growth of economy.